What type of bees live in the Beaver Lake courtyard?
Importance of bees. They pollinate flowers that some bees can't, like bumblebees are the only ones who can pollinate tomatoes.
Some other pollinators are bats, wasps, hummingbirds, moths, and butterflies.
Bee field trip. Here's a little bit about what we learned on a bee field trip. Honeybees are one of the only bees that live in a hive and have a queen. People are using pesticides against them. 1/3 of our bees make our food. Honey, 2,000 years old, you can still eat.
Native bees, bumblebees. They are the only native bees in Minnesota. They pollinate different things and are the only ones who can pollinate tomatoes. Our investigation. Procedures. First, we went out to the Beaver Lake courtyard. Then we found a flower and a bee was on it. And then put a small container on the flower. And when the bees tried to fly up, we took the lid and slid it under and closed it. The bee was trapped inside. Overnight, we froze the bee, so it died. Then we pinned the bee by using a special pin and pinned it. Then put it in a cork. Last, we identified the bee by using a sheet of dichotomous paper that helped us identify the bee. Results. There were 14 honeybees in our classroom. There were 13 honeybees in the courtyard and 2 bumblebees. In the other courtyard, there were 14 honeybees. In the meadow, there were 13 honeybees, 1 bumblebee, and 1 halidacty bee. In the prairie, there were 13 honeybees and 4 bumblebees. Threats to pollinators. Varroa destructor mites. It weakens the bee by stinging it. You kill it by putting powdered sugar on it. Bees are losing their habitat because of us not planting flowers and monoculture. That means one individual crop in one region. Pesticides. Mostly systemic pesticides kill soil-dwelling insects like bees that are exposed to pollen, leaves, and nectar.
Advocacy. You can help bees by planting bee-friendly flowers such as lavender, mint, and sunflowers. And don't spread pesticides that hurt bees.
Credits. Miss Jutton, Miss LJ, Mr. Dittman, Miss Montero. Photo credits.
By Jackson
And Dhyan.